And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to distort text without rasterizing it. It's the usual problem I ran into when I started using Photoshop at first. So when you create some text with the type tool, you press Ctrl T, you can resize it, for example. Let me center that. And if you want to distort it, so you press Ctrl T and a right click, you can't just do that. You first need to rasterize it. So go to your layer, right click, and then rasterize type. Afterwards, Ctrl T, right click, and you can distort it. But the problem is, afterwards, it's not editable anymore. So when I now use the type tool, I can't edit the not rasterized text that I've created, as you can see here. So let me press Ctrl Z before I've rasterized the layer. And instead, I right click on it and create a smart object. So just convert it to a smart object. And now I'll press Ctrl T, right click, distort. And I distort it a little bit. Just like this. When you now use the type tool, you can't really change it in that file itself, but you can double click on the smart object icon, so on the layer, and a new file will open. And in that file, you can change it. So let me add something here. I go down with the size of it, so you can see what I've done here. And afterwards, make sure that you press Ctrl S to save it. And you can see in our original file, it is adjusted automatically. So I can now close this, and I've got this file to work with. Let me change the color. Once more, double click on the icon of the smart object, go to the new file that has opened, change the color, press Ctrl S, and it's edited in the original file. And this is how you can distort text without rasterizing the type in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.